Let me show you how we can enter and exit the safe mode on Realme Note 70T. So in order to go to the safe mode, first we need to completely turn off our device. So we're gonna press the power button and volume up button at the same time in order to open the power menu. And then we're gonna swipe down in order to power off our device. And we need to wait for the phone to completely shut down. Once that happens, we need to turn it back on. So we're gonna press and hold the power button. And once you feel the vibration or see the Realme logo on the screen, you want to count to 8, and after that, press and hold volume down. So let's give it a try. Let's press and hold the power button, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we're gonna press and hold volume down. And we need to keep holding it until we see the next screen, which is the Realme UI. And you should be able to feel a little vibration again. There we go. So once you feel the vibration after seeing Realme UI, you have to pretty much wait a short while to feel it. But once you do so, you should be able to release the volume down button, and you should see the safe mode over here in the bottom left corner. Let's unlock our device. And in case you don't feel the vibration, if the phone turns on and you are back into the normal mode, then you just might want to simply try it again. Alright, so unfortunately in my case, the launcher seems to be messing up for some reason. But now if we want to exit the safe mode, we need to restart our device. So we're gonna press the power button and volume up button again, and we're just gonna swipe up to restart. Let's see if we can actually do this. There we go. And we need to patiently wait for the phone to reboot. And now once it turns on again, it should be back into the normal mode. Remember that once we go to the safe mode, we are actually turning on the airplane mode. And if you exit the safe mode and go back into the normal mode, then the airplane mode will still be there enabled. So remember to turn it off. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.